Hi everybody, welcome to Tide House. Happy St. Paddy's week. So, what's going on today? Oh, we got a few drinks to make, but today we're going to just focus on the first drink of this week's specials. That's right, we're going to do 3 drinks this week. Hopefully we can release all 3. First one we're going to do is called the Drunken Leprechaun. That's something I found online. I have not tried it. It's a very simple recipe. Anyone at home can do this one. All you need is orange juice, vodka, so I got a screwdriver thing going, right? Blue curacao, turn it green, and then just a cherry and an orange to make it very nice. So without further ado, let's get it going here. Today we're gonna bust out the very fancy glass. What do you think of that? It says, get your green on. And like I said, this is a very simple cocktail. Let's start it. First thing, ice. Ice, ice, baby. Don't be shy on the ice. Fill her up. Next thing up, we're gonna do 1 3/4 ounce vodka. And today we will use, of course, our Sausage Tree Irish vodka. So we're gonna do 1 3/4 ounces. You guys ready for this? And we're gonna drop it right in there. No shaking today, baby. No shaking today. We'll leave that all for St. Paddy's Day. All right, 1 3/4 ounces. All right, next up we need is 3.5 ounces of orange juice. I don't usually carry it like this, but for use, let's do it. So 3.5 and a half. Now we need 1 ounce of our famous blue curacao, which is the only way, besides Midori, to make something green. But Midori is a lemon liqueur, and I don't think this would go too well with Midori. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of blue curacao. Bloop, 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 bloop. Already looking green to me, baby. Already looking green to me. Happy St. Paddy's Day. We're gonna give it a good stir. Stir stick. And this we will garnish with an orange. And we're just gonna drop in cherry. And ladies and gentlemen, your Drunken Leprechaun. Right there. Easy peasy. 1 down this week. The Drunken Leprechaun. Brought to you by the internet. So, thank you very much everybody for enjoying. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna just take a little sip here and see how this goes. There's something about blue curacao that always tastes like a blue Hawaiian to me. It's good, it's tasty, it's refreshing. The orange juice just gives it a lighter flavor to it, you know, that citrusy, fruity flavor. You don't taste the vodka, and that blue curacao just kind of helps promote that orange flavor. So it's like an Irish screwdriver. This is the best way I can describe it. Irish screwdriver. So thank you very much, guys. Enjoy. Cheers. Bye. I'm fading away. Happy St. Paddy's Day!